Hello everyone. Now we'll go through section 46 of CPC, which deals with precepts. It says court which passes a decree may, on the application of the decree holder, issue a precept to any other court which would be competent to execute such decree, to attach any property belonging to the judgment debtor and specified in the precept. Now it is simplified as such: application by the decree holder, then to whom? To the court which passed the decree. For what? For attachment of property of the judgment debtor. Then such court may issue a precept to whom? To another court competent to execute decree to attach property of the judgment debtor. The second court will attach the property as such. So what is a precept? It is an order or direction given by one court to another requiring some act to be done or carried out. Let us see an example. Court A is the court passing the decree. Court B is the court to which it is sent for attachment. Decree holder will apply to the court A. Court A will issue a precept to court B. Then court B will carry out the attachment. Secondly, no attachment under a precept can continue for more than 2 months, except that is when it can continue for more than 2 months. Firstly, period extended by the court which passed the decree, and secondly, before termination of attachment of the decree has been transferred to the court by which attachment has been made, and decree holder has applied for an order for sale of such property. Some more points regarding precept. This section applies to matters which arise after a decree has been passed. So, it cannot be invoked to aid an application for attachment before judgment as laid under Order 38, Rule 5. No attachment can be effected under this section where properties are situated outside India. So this is all about precepts. Hope you all will like it. Thank you.